Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are enjoying this wonderful rainfall. In this video, we will learn how to wish someone a great rainy season. So let's explore together. Wishing you a cozy and relaxing rainy season. May the rains bring you peace and tranquility. Happy rainy days ahead. May they be filled with warmth and comfort. Wishing you a season of gentle shower and vibrant growth. May the rainy season bring you joy, calmness, and a sense of renewal. Here's to a soothing and rejuvenating rainy season. May the rains wash away your worries and bring you clarity and focus. Wishing you a rainy season filled with hot chocolates, good books, and quality time with your loved ones. May the rainy season be a time of reflection, growth, and beauty for you. Wishing you a cozy and creative rainy season. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more videos.